Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of the AutoCAD full course 2019, and in this video we're going to learn how to use the copy command right here. Now as usual, there are several ways to access this command. Simply by clicking on the icon of the home palette on the ribbon, or just by going to view it in the tool palettes, then click on modify and you can find the copy right here, or just by typing it on the screen as we learned in the last videos. Now I'm going to draw something simple, a circle. Then click on the icon. Simply he's going to ask you to select the object. I'm going to select this circle, then press enter. Then he's going to ask you to select the base point. You can select a base wherever you want, on the quadrant or on the edge or wherever you want. I'm going to select the center. Then you can move it, and by click on the left button of the mouse, you can just draw them just like that. Now that was pretty much what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and stay tuned for another video.